Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. Students, in the last session we have seen expanded form and short form. So today we are going to see before number, after number and between number. This already we have learned with 2-digit number. Now we have learned 3-digit number. So related to that we are learning before, after and between numbers of these given numbers. Now see students, you have to see here number 687. What do you have to do? In one column only you have to make less one number. Less one, or you can count backward. So 7 before there comes 6. And these both numbers you have to keep as it is. So 6 and 8 as it is, and 7 before there comes 6. So like this way you have to write before number. Now we'll see the next example, 910. Now see here in one column there is 0. We cannot make one number less from this one. So what we are doing here, we are writing instead of 0, we are writing here 9, and we are making one number less from tens column. So from 1 you have to make one less, so there comes 0, okay, and this 9 as it is you have to write. So 910 before 909 is your answer. Next number 500. Again see students, at one place there is 0 number. We cannot make less, so instead of 0 we are writing 9. Again see at tens column also there is 0. So again we are going to write 9, and from hundreds column, from 5 number we are making one number less, so your answer is 4. So like this way you have to write. Before 500 there comes 499. Next one 275. From one's column you have to make one number less. So from 5 one less 4. So this 4 we have written, and these two number as it is you have to write. So before 275 there comes 274. Now we'll see after number. So this we made one number less from one's column. Now here after you have to add one number. Add 1 in one's column. Now see in one's column what is there? 9. 9 plus 1 there comes 10. So from 10, 0 we are writing here. And 1 is remaining, that you have to add here. Okay. Means whenever there is 9 you have to write 0 whenever you are writing after number. And one number you have to write in the tens column. And what it will become? This one and this one, 2. And 7 number as it is. So 719 after there comes 720. You can do like this way also. 719. 19 after there comes 20. So 7 as it is, and instead of 19 you write 20. This way also you can do. In the next example we'll do that. Now see here 399. Now see student, 9 and 9 means at one's column also 9, at tens column also 9. So what we have to do here, instead of these two 9 we'll write 0 and 0, and whatever add one number is there we are adding in hundreds column, means in 3 we have to add 1, so there comes 4. So we are writing here 4. So 399 after there comes 400. Now we see here 263. As I told here, you can write this 2 as it is. Then 63 number you have to take. 63 after that comes 64. So you have to write like this way. This way also you can do it. Now next one, 724. In one's column you have to add one number. So these 72 as it is. And 4 you have to add 1. So it has become 5. So your answer is after 724 there comes 725. Same way you have to do here also. Now 355. Take this 55 together. So 355 after 356 and 357. Now 200. 200 means one's column. We are adding 1. So 0 and 1. 1, 2, 0, 1. So 200, 201, 202. Next number we'll see 991. As I told you, in one's column you have to add one number. So in 1, more 1 you will add, it will become 2. These 99 as it is. 99 and this 2. So your answer is 992. Next one, 699 dash and 701. What we have done here after number, same way we have to do here. In 99 replace with 00 and from hundreds column 6 number we have to increase by 1. So 6 and 1, there comes 7. So your answer is 700. So the series is 699, 700 and 701. Now students, here before number, after number, like this way we are calling. But this is also called one another name that we are going to learn now. Now see students, what I told you, before and after number is also called with other name. So that is called predecessor and successor. What it is called? Predecessor and successor. What is meant by predecessor? So listen. Pre means previous. Previous means before. So here we can write predecessor means just before. What we have to write here? Predecessor means just before. And successor. Successor means when you have got the success in first standard, you got nice marks and you entered in second standard, that is your success. Means one number extra, one jump extra you have taken. So successor means just after number. Just after number. So now we'll see here some numbers I have written here. Its predecessor and successor we have to find out. This number's predecessor and this number's successor we are going to write here. See student, 370. Predecessor means before number. So just before 70 there comes 69. Or as I told you, 0 instead of 0 you have to write 9. One number less from this and 3 as it is. So 369 is your predecessor. Now successor means add 1 just after number. So 70 after there comes 71. Or you can add one number from 0. So 371 is your successor. Next one, 225. So add in this, subtract from 5. So 225. Or you can take the whole number. Before 25 there comes 24. So 2 you have to write and 24. So 224 is your predecessor. Then successor 25 after 26. So 226 is your successor. Listen here, 801. While finding out predecessor, one number less from one's column. So 1 minus 1, there comes 0, and 800 is your predecessor, and by finding successor, add one number in this one. So 1 and 1, there comes 2. So 802 is your successor. So you will get your homework in your CSOF app homework list. Till the next session, bye bye everyone.